Yo, so my friend made a classic dad joke in high school, right? Alright, see it here. Why are Rasta men afraid of gates? Because they dread locks. You get it? Them dreadlocks. Rasta men dreadlocks.
Better you go your bed.
I'm sorry about that. But speaking of dreadlocks, lately I've noticed that YouTube has been highly recommended one of my most popular videos. That video being retwisting my dreadlocks. So I've been thinking, I've been getting a lot of new subscribers, I've been getting a lot of new viewers on my channel because of that video. So I'm thinking maybe I should, do another dreadlocks video. But I'm going to do another dreadlocks video with a twist. You get it? A retwist. I'm so sorry. The twist is, this video has no sponsors. This video doesn't have a pretty girl retwisting my dreadlocks. This video will be done all on my own, shot on my own, edited on my own, and retwisted on my own. So please make sure that this video get over 2,000 views, because this is going to take a very long time. Alright, so see it here. I have not retwisted my dreadlocks within the past 3 months. So I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Woo! Alright. See it here, people. This is 3 months of new growth. Alright, 3 months of not retwisting, and I think I'm about to clean myself up a little bit. Alright, I know the don't rush challenge is gone, but
oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
alright, so people, so the first thing we're going to do a hot oil treatment.
So what we do, we're going to heat some water, and then we're going to transfer the hot water over into a container or a cup. Then I'm going to put my oil in the bottle in that hot water to allow it to heat. You get me? So after we do that,
then we can start the fun. Alright, so yeah people, I just poured some hot water on the applicator bottle with the hot oil. I know that the oil get all nice and hot. You see me? Now it's time to put this hot oil onto my scalp. Let me give one nice girl one nice massage. You see me, I say? But before I do that, I have to make sure that when I put the oil on my scalp, that my clothes are protected. You see me? Because I don't want the oil to run off my head onto my clothes, right? Alright, so, yeah. Alright, people. It's time to apply the hot oil. Just get the applicator bottle, and then apply that hot oil. Ooh, yeah man, the oil hot. Ooh. Just apply it on your scalp. Yo, tell the God truth, 3 months of new growth is not making this easy. Oh gosh. Alright. So you see, after I apply that hot oil to my scalp, and I was able to get the hot oil all the way through my luscious locks, what I'm going to do, I just need to allow the hot oil to just stay in my head for about an hour. An hour is not that long, alright? I mean, considering I've had oil building up in my back ever since the start of quarantine. Yo, me need a woman, yo, jeez and peace. Yo, anyways, it's not what this video is about. I'm just going to wrap up my hair in this plastic bag for about an hour. Nailed it. Alright. So now, we just chill for an hour.
So what about people? There's a boy called Linsky with another YouTube video.
Yo people them, so it has been a bit more than an hour. I've actually been steaming my hair under this plastic bag for a bit too long. Really and truly, it's been about 3 hours. So anyways, the point is my hair is all steamed in this hot oil treatment and everything, and it's time to take this plastic bag off of my head. Oh my goodness gracious, yo. Woo! Come on. Come on. The oil has made it all the way through my hair. So the next thing we're going to do right now, we need to wash this out. We fully need to wash this out. So the shower is right there. So you know what that means, ladies and gentlemen. You know what that means. Ladies, don't get any ideas. It is time to do this. Alright, let me zoom in on this little bit so you don't have any ideas. I do hot oil treatments too. It helps to get like out of the grease, the dust, and the grime out of my hair, you get me I say? And it helps to moisturize my hair and leave a lot of moisture in my hair. So the type of shampoo that I like to use, rosemary and mint from Suave. And yes, this has sulfates. This does have sulfates in there. But from my experience with the hot oil treatment, the sulfates don't dry out my hair that much. You get me? Like I have a lot of moisture left over. Alright? It is time to wash this out. Alright, so we started washing the hair, you see me? And boy, before I did hot oil treatments, I used to wonder what was the point of putting oil in my head and then having to shampoo it and wash it out later. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Time to wash out my locks. And ladies and gentlemen, whew, we are washed. Now it's time for dry my locks. But not too dry. We need to retain a bit of moisture, but we can't work with it when it's this wet. Yo, what going on, people? So my hair has been washed and right now it clean like one girl front when she name fruits and drink up her water throughout the month. I really just compared my hair to a girl front. After my hair has been washed and it's been clean and everything, we're on to the main event. People, listen to me. Washing and retwisting my hair is a whole event. Alright? It's not simple and it requires hours. So you might be subjected to a little bit of a time lapse, alright? But before I even get into that, let me show you what I'm working with. Water in a spray bottle. Hair clips. The lock and twist gel. Typically I use organic root stimulator. Just going to spray some water. As I said, this is just pure water. I don't need to use any oil because I did the hot oil treatment already. Right now my scalp is well moisturized. As I said, this is going to be a DIY. Yo people, before I even get started, before I really start this event, I need to say this. Please, people, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure to say subscribe and you click the notification bell. And it's more than just clicking the notification bell. People, please, stay with me. When you go and click the notification bell, make sure you click all notifications. Do not miss any videos from Yaadman. Click all notifications, alright? Thank you. So I find my locks. I grab them by the root. And I know I can't see them, but I've been doing this by myself for so long, I pretty much know what I'm doing. I need to make sure that all the hair that is in this lock belongs in this lock. And I can feel it with my hands. I don't even need to look at it, I can feel it. This feels good. I take enough lock and twist gel on my finger and I rub it right up on the root and I twist. All of my locks are twisted in a clockwise direction. I do a palm roll. We get that in and boom bam. See it there. See it there, people. That is one lock out of 126. A lot of people ask me, yo Yaadman, if it's so much work, why don't you just get somebody to twist your hair? Why don't you go and pay somebody to twist your hair, like at a salon or something? Let me tell you something. The only place that I am willing to pay money to twist my locks is in Jamaica. Because in Jamaica, the most I've ever paid to twist my hair in Jamaica is 4,500 Jamaican dollars. Watch this. Alexa, what is 4,500 Jamaican dollars to US dollars?
4,500 Jamaican dollars is 31 US dollars and 55 cents.
$31.55. There is nowhere in America that I can get my locks twisted for $32. See this right here, so hairs are just growing all over the place.
You see this video? This video right here is the longest video that I have ever shot in my YouTube career. I am talking over 5 hours of footage. Usually it takes me about 4+ hours to twist my hair alone.
Oh, yes, Father. Oh.
So I apologize for not uploading a video last week, but let me just tell you, it is not easy condensing over 5 hours of footage down into 18 minutes. But I wanted to show you guys my plight. Something that I usually do every month, but this month was particularly rough for me to twist my hair because, well, I haven't twisted my hair in 3 months. Since quarantine started, I'm going to admit, I didn't feel to twist my hair. I didn't feel to. I was saying to myself, what's the point? What's the point of twisting my locks when nobody's going to see me? I'm not going to any events. I'm not going to any parties. Nobody daughter want look upon me right now in a quarantine. What is the point? But I said to myself, you know what? Let me shape up myself a little bit. You know, make myself look all nice and beer things for the YouTube and the Instagram. You know, so I said, you know what, my subscribers deserve to see me in top form. So this is it, people. Twisting my locks, I'm telling you, I am so happy that I am able to do time lapses, because if it wasn't for a time lapse, I probably wouldn't do these type of videos. But yeah, another thing too, even though some people may look at this process and say, yo, Yaadman, this is ridiculous. Over 5 hours? Over 4 hours to twist your hair? I mean, yeah, it you know, over 5 hours in the total process because I have to wash and do the hot oil treatment and everything. But you know, some people say to me, why don't you just pay somebody to do it for you? As I said, I only trust. It's not just about the money, you know, saving the money and the $32 that I'd spend in Jamaica. But I don't trust everybody in my hair, and I trust myself. So I wanted to become self-sufficient to do it for myself. So maybe one day I can twist locks for somebody else's daughter. Is it me?
Yo, people. So I am almost finished with my locks, and it's just this much more to.
Them say patience is a virtue. So I feel as if my locks have made me virtuous.
Lock number 125. This is it. This is it. And then lock them up. Woo! 126 locks. 126 out of 126, ladies and gentlemen. We just finished twist the whole of my head. That took over 4 hours. Alright, so you can understand why I say dreadlocks has taught me patience. Alright, the pro, I saved myself a good amount of money. In Jamaica, I would definitely pay to get this done in Jamaica, because I said it's cheaper in Jamaica. The card, I'm exhausted. And I used about 2 SD cards, with the third one recording this right now on this video. But we're not done yet. Now, I'm gonna take my final break, cause now I just need to wait for my hair to dry, and then after my hair is dry, I pull out the clips, and then whew, Yaadman is going to be at his full potential. See you when I dry. That never sound too right. So yeah people, that is how I wash and retwist my dreadlocks. As you can see, it is an entire event to wash and retwist these, alright? And people them, I thank you so very much for staying here with me. Get it? Staying here with me. I'm corny. But anyways, yo, people them, I thank you so very much, seriously. Because really and truly, this video is probably the longest video I have ever shot. Not in actual YouTube time that I'm going to upload, but in terms of how much time I've had to shoot this video. Because look here, not only did I have to prepare my hair to be washed in a hot oil treatment that was over an hour long, then I had to actually wash my hair and dry my hair, which was over an hour long, and then I actually had to retwist my locks, which was over 4 hours long. I mean, all I'm asking is for over 2,000 views, you know, nothing serious. But yeah, that is how I wash and retwist my locks completely on my own. And this is something that I usually do every month, because you don't know, say Yaadman, I feel it look good for the YouTube and for the picture them. And occasionally the girl them like me, is it me I say? But yeah, I hate that. So people them, thank you so very much for your love and support. Yaadman out. And I'm about to grace my Instagram feed for the next month or so until I need to wash again. Big up on our damn self. And comment down below how I did. And would you want Yaadman to do your dreadlocks? Let me know. Yeah. No, big up on the damn self. Later.